Hello guys, and welcome into the reinstallation of OSRAM Nightbreaker 200 halogens in order to finally test them on the road during the bad weather conditions that are about to come again in my town, on rain and most probably fog also. For this, I will take out the Philips Extreme Vision Pro 150, which were the last ones recorded on rain, and replace them with the most powerful halogens measured with my light meter so far. Truth be told, I never had the chance to measure Philips White Vision, but for now these are the most powerful halogens I tested so far. As you know, I still don't recommend them due to their very high price tag. Right now they are about 30% more expensive than Philips Racing Vision GT200, and I really don't see the point in getting them, since the light offered of Racing Vision is just as good, almost as good. But yeah, you will have to decide for yourself if they are worth spending a small fortune, especially if you have to replace 4 of them like I had on the low beams and high beams, or if there are better alternatives out there, cheaper and almost just as good. Without any further ado, let's start the process. That was not supposed to be opened, but yeah. Okay. So we'll have to replace just the low beams, these ones. The first Extreme Vision Pro 150. this one is done. And now the second one. Okay. And this one is plugged in also. Let's check to see if they work perfect. So yeah, it's really awesome. perfect. Well, this is about it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best, guys. Please check out my videos, and if you would like to purchase them, feel free to access the Amazon links in the description of the video. And also please stay tuned, because in the near future I will review the most powerful LEDs made by Hikari Technologies, the new model of 2022, which will have 20,000 lumens, almost double than the Hikari Ultra, which I liked so much, and with 5,000 lumen per set beyond the Acme X ones. I wish you all the best, and take care wherever you are.